Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already started to budget, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? We have about 6 months left in the year. If you haven't started budgeting, what are you waiting on? But let's get started. So I wanted to go over the monthly budget for July, go over my first budget by Paycheck and the goals that I have for the month. So as you can see, I've been trying to keep up with my no spends. I'm waiting on stickers to come in the mail from EMichelle. And also this kit that you see, or the payday stickers and the bill pay stickers, they are from Shea Budgets, from her older kit, which was from March, I believe. So yeah, I had stickers left over, of course. Why not use them, right? So my bill from Discover is $52. As you can see, I don't have too many bills. I went ahead and pretty much I've paid all of them except for State Farm. Now when it comes to Discover, I did pay $52. For Walmart, I did pay $191. For AT&T, they haven't took their money just yet, so I am going to pay them $212. For electric, I did budget for $80. And of course, State Farm, I finally got my credit from State Farm. If you remember back in, I don't know if it was April or May, they were talking about giving everyone credits for their Good Neighbor Relief Program due to COVID-19. So those credits finally came in, which is good. I get to save money, right? So the next few pages you will see, I did get those from EMichelle. She had a printable for an A5 or Classic Happy Planner, but those printables has been removed. She do have a budget planner, which is just like the pages that I'm going to show you. So when it comes to the monthly budget, I'm budgeting for $4,300. The rent is $725. Walmart $191. For AT&T $112. For electric $80. For State Farm $105. I always list my bills at the top before my savings, sinking funds, cash envelopes, other things like that. So when it comes to the savings, this does include emergency funds. So for the month, the monthly savings is $420. For the sinking funds, it's $680. For cash envelopes, it's $520. And when you total everything up, it's $2,933. That's not much, right? For my savings goal, I put $800. We'll see how that works. For the goals, I do want to track my spending better, of course. And no credit card usage other than the auto payments that I have. Also, I want to try to have at least 15 no spends. Now, when I do a no spend, I mean not spending a dime, even if it's in my cash envelope or sinking fund. Now, of course, when it comes to July 3rd through the 16th, which is the first paycheck for the month of July, the income that I'm working with is $1,699.32. The rent is $362. For Discover, $52. Walmart, $191. For AT&T, $212. Electric, $80. And that total amount is $897. And if you subtract that from the income, I have $802.32 left. For sinking funds, we have $340. And if you subtract that amount from $802, I'm left with $462.32. For the cash envelopes, those are $275. And if you subtract that from $462.32, I'm left with $187.32, which would normally go directly to savings. But I normally don't move that amount until the day that I get paid again, or the night before. So the total budget for July the 3rd through the 16th is $1,512. Hopefully the $187.32 would be a bigger amount. If not, I'm not going to worry about it. If you want to know what's in my cash envelopes, we're going to go over those next. So for cash envelopes, I have $10 for rideshare, $10 for fun, $50 for fast food, groceries for $125. Normally I would go over the grocery budget, but hopefully this time we don't. $20 for gas, and I had 30 for out of town, which I did already go out of town, and I do have money left over from that category. For personal, I did do $20, of course, and for Starbucks, $10. Now we're just going to look at the sinking funds, which does include emergency. So for emergency, I'm doing $210. For gifts, I'm doing $20. Now when it comes to the gifts category, that can be either a sinking fund or a cash envelope, which I may end up moving that to cash envelopes, since it's pretty much the part of the year where it's everybody's birthday, or everyone has a birthday in each month coming up. So it's pretty much a cash envelope. For car maintenance, I did do $40. For health, I did do $50, and vacation $20, which equaled up to $320. And normally she would have debt trackers and other things, but I don't use the debt tracker since I don't have any debts. And at the end of the month, you can fill this out, give yourself a grade. And that's pretty much it. That's my budget for July. And when it comes to the goals, of course, yeah, we want to try to save $500 for a laptop, save an extra $200. Don't use any credit card, and find a better way to track spending. If you have any questions about this video, leave them below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.